I think I'm perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. It's just perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. I'm perfect. Perfect, perfect.
Yippee yo, what's up guys? Digital Dennis here, and what we have in today's Microsoft tutorial is how to fix your keyboard, and it's assigned letters, or it's assigned hieroglyphs or quotation marks, exclamation marks. So for instance, in this particular instance, the keyboards at and to don't work. They're actually inverted. And if I try to click on the at on the keyboard, it instead displays a double quotation, whereas if I click the double quotation, it actually starts to display at. So they've actually been inverted. So we need the at in its proper keyboard, and the solution to the problem is, what you need to do is you need to go to the control panel, and then you need to go to clock, language and region. If this doesn't show and this is showing, just go to region and language, and then once you're there, you go to keyboards and languages. Go to change keyboards. On your change keyboards, you should have a list of changed keyboards. So for instance, if you are on a different keyboard, like if you are on a Japanese keyboard or whatever, you name it, but it still showed English, what you need to do is change it back to the US. So we'd have to come here to the bottom and click add, and as you can see, if you go down to the bottom, you get English, and you get different types of English. You get Belize English, Canadian English, Jamaican. What you need to do is you need to add on United States English, and you need to press OK. And after that, it will get added here. Then you select it from here and you click apply, and that is what fixes your whole keyboard dilemma. Now when I try to type normally, if I typed in all the shift keyboard numbers, they would play out properly. The exclamations and all the hieroglyphic symbols would play out. So at is at, and if I try to type in my double quotations, there are double quotations. So everything is fixed. Right guys, thank you for watching this tutorial. Hope you guys liked it. Digital Dennis signing out. Subscribe, rate and comment.